What we're going to show you today is noisy birds. Here's our following cage we made for our mama pig. We have one mama pig. She is due here in about 20 days, I think. We got her marked now for about 20 days she's due. So we made her a following pin so she had a day. And there it is. It's removable, so we can either put it in this pin or we can put it in that pin, whichever pin we want to. We made a gate on it that folds up. Hard to do with two hands. That folds up over the top, so we can actually just put her inside of it, and then fold it back down. Fold this back down. Got two bolts, one on each end to bolt it down, hold her in there. That's our following pin. We got some plastic matting we're going to put down on the floor around it for the piglets, so we get them up off of the concrete a little bit. And that's kind of how it's made. It won't go anywhere. It's hooked on the feeders. It's bolted to the wall. And on this side we got a little drinker. Small drinker on this side and a big drinker on that side for the mama, for the babies, so we can start feeding them when they're little. This is our first following pin we've ever made. But like I say, we made it where we can move it from this pin to that pin, and we've got two more sow pins way up the other end. We're going to fit it to them, make 4 sow pins where we can have 4 mother pigs and use it everywhere, not just one place. But right now, here in a few days, she's going to come over to this pen and have her babies, hopefully. Hopefully she doesn't lay on them, hurt them. She's really, really lazy right now. All she does is lay around and talk about it. But that's our following pin for our pigs. These pigs we got, we're going to sell these 4 yet, or 3, maybe keep that one for another mama pig. We're not sure yet. We will see. And that's our following pin. When I get her in it in a few days, I'll do a video with her in it so you can see how she sits in it, how it's going to work. First time for all of us, so we'll see how it works. Just moved the sow over from original pin over here and put her in here. She's a young sow. This will be her first litter. She's got about 5 days to go before she litters out, maybe somewhere in there. Just put her over here. We just built this cage. It actually has hinges right here, so this whole piece right here folds up to let the pig in or pig out. So it actually folds up and down. Hopefully it's not too wide. She can turn her around in. She's got plenty of room to lay down. I put her here so not to stress her. Get her in here early so not to stress her out. Hopefully she calms down and makes this a happy venture. Or we'll have to rebuild it a little bit. I'm not sure. It's 2 foot wide, 7 foot long, 3 feet high. We'll try this all out here. Hopefully it doesn't stress her out too bad. Now this is all new to her too. I don't know. We'll see. Hope she don't tear something up. She's going to eat the pipe. Why, I don't know. But this whole side folds out. We made this. It's removable. We can move it over to that pin. And we got 2 more pins in the front of the piggery we could always move it to. Instead of moving a sow in the future, we're thinking about maybe we'll just move the following pin, so make it easier on the sow. They stay in their own pin. Not sure how this is going to work yet. Until in a few days, stay cool, stay sexy.